failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
Submit this thing before strike now. I mean, my internship spoil my head.
Guy, come put on Joe. Which kind of shit is shit this morning? How many years she get self? Come put on. People dey wait for you for tutorial now.
Abeg, hold am.
You say this calendar choke.
Now your sheet.
Come put on Joe.
Abeg. I organize tutorial. I go teach am. Just give me time. This is book days.
Baby boo, how are you now? I've missed you. Hope you're reading now that the strike is over. Remember my dad said that he cannot let us get married if we don't finish with first class.
I'm trying, my dear. I'm really trying. There's only this tutorial I have to take my departmental mate, and honestly, the way I'm seeing it now, sir, I realize I'm using for new tutorial. No, foot and will be doing so.
Tutor that needs tutorial. Bonisha. Anyway, that's why I called. So there's this app that is really helpful. I think you should check it out.
Alright, I'll do that. Thanks.